Hi guys, my name is Michelle. I'm a tutor for Chegg Tutors and I usually teach English, math, and psychology. Today we're going to be talking about the cell doctrine, or also known as the cell theory. So the cell theory is a scientific theory which describes the properties of cells. And these cells are the basic units of structure in all organisms and also the basic unit of reproduction. And so the cell doctrine has become the foundation of biology and is the most widely accepted explanation of the function of cells. And so there's three parts to this theory. One, all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Two, the cell is the basic unit of structure and organization in organisms. And finally, the cells come from pre-existing cells. So usually Theodor Schwann and Matthias Schleiden are given credit for developing the cell theory. There was another researcher that worked on it named Rudolf Virchow, but he is not as credited for his attributions toward it. And so this doctrine was made in 1838. So at this point, we have some modern interpretations. So let me name a couple. So the first three are the same, but the additions include the activity of an organism depends on the total activity of independent cells. The modern interpretations also include the energy flow, that the energy flow occurs within cells, and that cells contain DNA, which is found specifically in the chromosome, while the RNA is found in the cell nucleus and the cytoplasm. And all cells are basically the same in chemical composition in organisms of similar species. And so that is basically the cell theory, the basic rules that accompany what we know about cells and the basics from which the rest of the research can span from. So I hope you enjoyed your lesson and thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.